Ronaldo and Taylor Swift at the bar. Hey there, what can I get you both?
Hey, just water for me, please.
I'll have a ginger ale, thanks.
Got it. Here you go. So, what brings you guys to the bar tonight?
Just needed a chill night after training. How about you, Taylor?
Same, winding down after a day in the studio. By the way, Cristiano, ever tried writing a song about a goal?
Not yet, but it could be interesting. Your songs are like mini-movies. Ever think of a football-themed track?
I can picture it now, a dramatic ballad about a penalty kick. What about dancing? You've got those goal celebrations down.
True, maybe I'll try some dance moves next time. Could be a hit on the field. Taylor, your cat ever joined the studio sessions?
Oh, absolutely. The fluff brings its own creative energy. Speaking of which, ever think of bringing your hair to the studio, Cristiano?
The hair might steal the show. Taylor, any wild stories from the studio lately?
Oh, plenty. One time, my cat knocked over a guitar during a recording. Chaos and creativity collided. Ever have funny moments during training?
Well, once a teammate mistook a training cone for the ball. Hilarious chaos ensued. By the way, Taylor, what's your go-to bar snack?
French fries all the way. Cristiano, yours?
I'm a fan of nachos. Classic choice. So, what's next for both of you?
Album release and a tour for me, Cristiano.
Preparing for the upcoming season, and maybe adding some dance moves to my goal celebrations.
Sounds like a plan. Anyway, it was great chatting. Cheers.
Cheers. Until next time.
Stand-up comedy script.
Hey everybody, I've been thinking imagine Cristiano Ronaldo and Taylor Swift walk into a bar. I know, it sounds like the start of a funny story, but hear me out. Firstly, Cristiano Ronaldo is like a super athlete on the soccer field. Have you seen him? The guy jumps really high. I tried copying one of his celebrations once, but my table didn't like it. Now, let's talk about his hair. Always looking good. I've never seen someone run with hair that stays up. My hair can't even handle a little wind. Ronaldo's hair has a lot of fans. And I'm just trying to decide what shampoo to use. And then there's Taylor Swift, the singer who writes songs about her ex-boyfriends. I can't even send a text without asking my friends for help. But Taylor turns sad moments into really popular songs. I tried that once, but my song didn't go far. Now, her cat. That cat probably lives a better life than me. It might have its own stylist and travel in a private plane. My cat just watches me and sometimes knocks things off shelves. But you know what's cool about both Cristiano and Taylor? They're really good at what they do. Ronaldo scores a lot in soccer. And Taylor wins a lot of awards. So, in a contest between Cristiano Ronaldo and Taylor Swift, who would win? I don't know. But I'd pay money to see them make a song together. Breaking hearts on the soccer field. That would be fun. Whether you're scoring goals or making catchy songs. One thing is clear. We all wish we had the confidence of Cristiano and the songwriting skills of Taylor. Remember, when life gives you problems, just pretend you're scoring a goal or writing a hit song. It works for them.
Simple conversation. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Doing okay. What did you do today?
I went to work and then ate dinner. What about you?
I stayed home and watched TV. What's your job?
I work in an office. It's not too exciting, but it pays the bills. How about you?
I'm a student. I go to school and learn things. What do you like to do for fun?
I like reading and playing video games. How about you?
I enjoy hanging out with friends and listening to music. It's simple but fun. What's your favorite kind of music?
I like pop music. It's catchy. How about you?
I like rock music. It has a strong beat. Well, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day.
English conversation at the restaurant. Hello there. Welcome to our restaurant. How many of you will be dining with us today?
Hi, just two, please.
Wonderful. Right this way, please. Here are your menus. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Water would be great, thank you.
Perfect. I'll get that for you right away. Take your time going through the menu. Whenever you're ready, feel free to let me know your choices.
Thank you. I've decided. I'll go with the chicken sandwich.
Excellent taste. And for you?
I'll have the Caesar salad.
Fantastic choices. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that'll be all. Thank you.
All right, then. I'll get your drinks and place your order. Enjoy your meal, and if you need anything else, just give me a wave.
Thank you so much.
English conversation at the office. Hey there, how's your day unfolding?
Hey, it's been a whirlwind, but managing. How about yours?
Oh, the usual hustle and bustle. Work life, right? Anything noteworthy happening for you today?
Not particularly. Just cruising through the regular routine. And you?
Same boat. Trying to figure out the plan post-work. Any exciting post office escapades on your radar?
Thinking of a laid-back evening at home. Maybe delve into some overdue reading. How about your post office agenda?
Considering a TV series marathon. A mental vacation after the day's challenges. Work can be quite the energy zapper, huh?
Oh, absolutely. Sometimes you just need that mental recharge. Anything on the horizon that's sparking enthusiasm for you?
Not really. Just taking each day as it unfolds. How about you? Any upcoming rendezvous with excitement?
Keeping it mellow for now. The standard routine beckons. Anyway. Duty calls. Back to the work trenches.
Totally get that. We'll catch up later. Take care, amidst the office frenzy.
You too. Stay resilient in the midst of the work whirlwind.